I just I just well I just error. Yeah, that's why we're
God
not getting
damn
enough
it.
views.
Include
What?
the fucking audio.
She said what?
Huh?
Are you there, Dark
We
Dog?
get it. He's good. Fuck.
Who the fuck is
Oh my
this?
fucking
What is
god, bro.
happening?
What, what did you
What is
do?
happening? He's
King,
gone.
you there, bro? Got a mic? Can you shut the fuck up, dog?
Fuck is that
Wait, what is
profile
it?
picture?
It's something.
Oh,
What's
you
up,
mean
King?
my
You got a
one?
mic?
Is that
Yeah.
like a deflated ball sack?
Bro, I don't even know. It's just I saw it in the fucking Xbox profile. I'm Australian, but yeah, sure.
Oh my god, do you know
Same thing.
Muselk?
That's just a different type of brand.
Yeah,
Why do
me
we
and
have
Muzak
6
are actually
people?
best friends.
Why do we have 6 people?
This
Why?
isn't
Oh my
Why
God.
do we have
Overwatch.
6 people?
Oh.
The fuck
What?
is wrong with you?
Why do we have
What?
6 people?
Who do I need to kick?
We have 6.
Are you-
What'd you do? What'd
Who
you
is-
do?
Prime time right now. We got a woman and an Australian in here. We're gonna get hella views.
Oh my gosh.
This is a fire group. Ooh, Kiriko and Soldier, let's get it.
I just, yeah, you right.
Booga booga.
What tank should I be? What tank should I be? Well, who do you need? Who do you guys need? Who do you guys want?
For a
Big monkey
tank?
man?
For a tank?
Big monkey man? Hold on, big
Go
monkey.
Reinhardt.
Big monkey
Go
man?
Reinhardt.
Aw, I wanted to be big
Like
monkey man.
A lot of
Reinhardt.
armor.
Man, big monkey
Well, I
man though.
guess you
Come
are
on,
pretty
man.
big.
Nah, nah, Zarya's busted.
I don't know, we
right
need
now.
to-
Surely we whip out Zarya.
Fuck it, I'll just go the
Zarya
hamster.
would be good. Zarya would be good.
Play
Zarya,
whatever
I'm
your heart
Zarya, go
desires.
Zarya, go Zarya, go Zarya.
Error, error.
I'm so excited.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
yeah.
kill
Alright,
myself.
bet.
That's cool, look at that, that's so cool.
Did anyone fucking ask?
Nice
Gonna
job.
die.
We all appreciate. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
They have Roadhog? What? Excuse me.
How much?
They're
Junkrat!
You really?
We're gonna lose. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Fuck. Hold on, wait. Wait.
Keeps hooking
Hold on,
me.
wait, if I just...
Redeploying.
Quit your jibber
I
jabber.
don't know what you're talking about, bro. I was just trying to push the back from the outside.
Oh my god.
Do you guys want
We
to
group
do a
up.
specific thing? 'Cause I don't know what the fuck to do.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, I'm pushing back.
Dumbass.
Mercy, no!
Dumbass.
Oh my god!
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you joking? Are you joking?
Okay. They're so low. Please, God, let me kill one. Why?
Why are you jumping in on this?
Keep pushing, boys. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Yeah, kill the Roadhog. He's on point.
Oh my god.
Fuck.
He's one. Kill him.
Fuck is he? Oh my God, he's behind me.
What is happening?
Oh my God, I'm running.
Push back.
No!
I wouldn't suggest pushing
No
on
way
yourself
we
as a
didn't
solo
fucking
fucking
cap.
Please don't.
What is that Roadhog hook accuracy?
Oh my god. What is with y'all?
What's this game? What is this game?
One.
I got their Mara.
Oh my God, Roadhog, no! Alright, here. Where the fuck is
Kill that.
this? Oh.
Okay, never mind. Never mind.
Can you group up?
I feel like they're gonna get through this a lot quicker than you
What's
are.
that Moira?
Fuck is the Moira?
Up there, she's right there! Yeah, but...
Scatter!
Spread, 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 spread.
Oh my god, I couldn't fucking... I'm sorry. There's so much people talking, I didn't even know you said. Oh, poor Kiriko. Alright, we need to group up.
No, no, don't hook me.
Help!
I can't.
Oh my god.
Someone get this fucking Valkyrie.
No! The hog just keeps
I mean,
trying
if
to
you
hook
want-
the hog. Just
I feel
keeps
like
hooking
nothing's
me.
dying, so...
I got you! I'm here!
The hog just keeps hooking me.
Watch out for that. Watch out.
It's going
he's
for
going
you,
for you,
soldier.
he's going
Alright,
for you.
boys, stall,
Oh my god.
I evolve,
Fucking-
boys. I evolve.
I just need
stall.
healing. I just need healing.
Why me?
More. Okay.
They're like, we know you're a good player, so we're gonna kill you.
Oh
the
my
most.
god, I just needed healing.
No!
I can't.
I was about to dodge.
We really just...
Alright, boys, I'm gonna switch to Zen because I feel like nothing's dying.
Yeah. We gotta. What the fuck is this hog?
You know what? We should hold up at least right here because that's what they did.
The barrier appears.
We're gonna get fucked. Yeah, we're gonna get fucked.
Really?
I'm sorry. Oh my god! He's
I can block it off.
He's auto aiming me. He's auto aiming me. He's auto fucking aiming for me.
Like, sometimes you just have to res.
I don't care. I don't even care. How did he get healed so quickly?
I need healing, boy. Oh, fuck.
That hog. Oh my god, he kept hooking me.
I'd rather be honestly, I'd rather be a tank.
I would rather that. I don't usually like tank. But it locked me into it this time, so I have no fucking choice.
I was right there behind that corner to his left.
Oh wait, you have YouTube too?
It's really lame. I don't have any
Oh, it's really lame.
subscribers.
What a way to promote your YouTube channel. It's really lame. It sucks ass. I'm just thinking about it. Like, imagine YouTubers went out on the street and were like, just really sad about their content.
Did you just say woman? Did you just say woman? You just
Is there a woman?
Am I just
Oh, is there a woman? Oh my god, it's a gender.
Get more
What
peanut
are
sauce
you?
for you.
Thank God, thank God.
Nice.
That's the best part.
there's a Reaper up top?
You mean a soldier up top?
No, there's a Reaper up top on the other
Oh, there
side.
is a Reaper too? God damn, bro. This is
Are you
fun.
trying to make me too fucking carnage?
Yeah, you are. Oh my god. There's a heal, right?
Oh my god. Behind you, Bob. Look behind you.
He's gonna ult.
Rocket barrage incoming. Was there any doubt?
There we go. Go get her, go get her.
Get in there, Bob.
It's literally.
Get the monkey!
Taking to the air.
Hey, go
Guys,
the
I don't know
monkey.
what the fuck happened. I don't know why I'm so suddenly decent.
Look, they fixed the
I'm
hole in
pushing
the
left. You heard?
fucking thing.
I'm pushing left.
What?
Get on over here.
Okay, have fun. Kill them.
I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
Oh my god.
What was that, bro? Just go
My
backwards.
shield
Why
is
did you
down.
go?
Good excuse for this.
Hey, yo, Mr. White. I'm trying to get you, but you're so high.
Where was the fucking heal?
Keep killing them, bro.
Push them back.
There's the.
Where'd the other guy go? Where is he?
He's one. He's one.
Stay on point. Stay on point.
No! Don't die! Run! Hold on, I might be able to revive you.
I got him. He's dead. Who's shooting me?
No one.
Ollie?
5 hours, but still.
Sony needs to pick the role.
Are you fuck? Everybody, children. Ah man, I miss Overwatch 1.
One more mission.
Oh, tell me about it.
Look at it.
You can never play it
just made
again,
it
because
worse.
Overwatch 2 is just an update to Overwatch 1.
Look at these bags. They jiggle. Come
Literally
here.
is, though. Literally is. They
jiggle?
only made it worse.
We'll never forget.
The bags
These trash
jiggle?
bags. They jiggle. They jiggle.
Oh, they jiggle. You're right.
They jiggle.
Oh,
Like
this is
Hear
what
me,
we
hear
waited
me,
for, guys.
you
This
just
is what we
gonna find
waited
us
for
being
years.
trash.
Oh, we should probably go defend the objective.
Oh shit. You're right.
How much you wanna bet that's a Doomfist? It's just a Doomfist main. From Overwatch 1.
Yeah. Fuck that.
I can't be talking.
Doofus in our back line.
Wait for your damn ult, Doomfist.
Fucking cunt. She's so low.
I'm on my way back.
Oh, I'm dead. Never mind.
I've seen tougher spots.
Not dead anymore, and I have my ulti. Whee!
Get out of my face.
Fuck, dude.
I mean, make Monkey moves
It's
up now.
gonna be hard.
Yeah,
Already popped it. Didn't do much. They fucked me in the middle of it.
GG.
I attempted, man.
And GG, we got it. We got it. Because you were toxic
I'm
6 years ago. You still toxic?
That's
Oh,
why I
no.
haven't wanted to play with you.
Apparently you were a toxic shit 6
You
years
didn't
ago.
play with someone for 6 years just because they were toxic. For 6 years, 6 years. That's like one.
No,
two,
he
three,
was just
four,
really
five.
cocky.
What's 12 plus 12
seems
plus
fine,
12
though.
plus 12 plus 12 plus 12? It's like more than like 500 months, bro.
He has a reason to be talking. Hopefully.
I used to play with this guy when I was playing with my best friend on this game.
But now we're
And
not
then my
best
best
friends
friend
anymore
decided to
because
sell his Xbox.
But now we're not best friends anymore because he was toxic.
Yep. Yep, that's it. Ooh, I saw that person with the McCree skin. Damn, that was sexy.
He's not called
Cassidy?
McCree anymore. Yeah, they changed it because McCree was, they fucking...
I'm sorry.
They did. Yeah, McCree.
No, I'm sorry. I still call him McCree because
It's a habit.
McCree's McCree.
It should have just
It's
changed
It's not
the
a habit.
character
I just
entirely.
call him McCree.
No, I don't want to play. Fuck, I want to play. I can play Reinhardt if I want to. All right now.
I'm going to get you,
He's a
baby.
shred with
this
Reinhardt.
3 kill, baby. Oh, shit, my fucking controller fell. It was
It was okay
mine.
back then, but
You have a Pharah? Soldier, get the Pharah. Mine.
Oh damn,
You have a Ryan?
she was already low.
Around,
low.
almost down.
That Ryan's low. Take his shield down.
Oh, they're pushing us
wow,
up.
this Reinhardt, man.
Get away from me!
Reinhardt is toxic.
What the fuck? What serious right now, bro? Okay, so, I think we can do this. I think we're doing good right now. Like, if we
Reinhardt
stay.
is very aggressive.
Thank you. Yo, I forgot I'm in a fucking party chat. I don't have to see the goddamn message here again.
Damn. Thank you.
Please not on me. I fucking hate this game.
My ult.
Get this Reinhardt out of our backline.
He's low. He's so low.
Oh, I'm
Punish
down,
him.
I'm down. Taking a rest.
We can push on this.
Yeah, both the big heals.
There's
How do you
stupid
have your
as
ult?
Reinhardt. Got behind.
Mercy dead, Mercy dead, Mercy dead. I'm dead. Damn!
I'm so close.
Dead, motherfucker!
Ooh,
I
who's
bring
still
them,
here?
baby?
We got him. We got a point.
Supplying damage.
Die! Oh my god. Oh my god! Ugh. Ugh.
This ends now.
Behind.
Reinhardt,
Oh, you
focus
kidding
on
me?
They're on top, Kiriko's on top.
I'm gonna
Behind.
switch after I die.
Mercy's almost down. Ooh.
What was that?
Switch it.
BS?
Headshot! They headshotted!
Damn. Fire
I'm
impact.
down. You. No.
Wait,
I saw you kill that Farah.
I was tanking them, dude. Holy shit.
We got somebody up
Ryan
top.
down.
I don't know who that is.
die, baby, die, baby!
Oh, I almost jumped off the ledge.
She's up here, dead. Here, go on.
Here it goes.
Got it up there, Reaper.
Where is that sword? So
here.
I still don't know how to say her name.
Sojourn.
She's
Sword?
annoying.
Sword?
Sword?
Sword and then Jorn. Ayúdame! Target.
Dude, this Reinhardt every time.
15 health on heals. I'm hiding in a corner. Heals.
I was for sure thought that fire
You
strike
didn't even
was
lay a
gonna
single
kill you.
shit on me.
They keep them busy.
Watch out, you guys are towards anything.
Farah does so much fucking damage.
Oh, he's low. Ryan's low. Yes. Get
It's
it.
just too fucking good,
Let's
guys.
kill this Kiriko.
Thank you for that nano. Kiriko is so
Kiriko is
low.
annoying.
Down.
Like she's good, but then she's bad, but then she's good, but then she's bad. It's a mixed feeling of goodness and badness. Okay, they're all dead. I got you.
Tried to get that. Mercy.
Die, baby.
Yo, big
Nice.
play.
That's play, dude. Not job.
Oh my fucking god, I got so fucking scared. I was like, oh shit, what am I gonna do?
Oh man, battle pass tier reached. Let's go.
Wow, same.
I'm gonna get there so fast. I'm not buying any tiers.